Good morning, London! Magandang hapon po sa Pilipinas at magandang araw po sa buong lupalop ng mundo. Hello, hello, hello! Guys, hello! Hello! Good morning, London! Good afternoon sa Pilipinas at magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Hello, hello po! Andito po tayo ngayon sa aking table at meron na naman po tayong bagong i-unbox. Pasensya na po at ako'y nakamask dahil bubunot lang ng ngipin ko, pero sana naririnig nyo ko. So simulan na natin ang ating pag-unbox ng ating bagong nabili na naman sa shop. Napunta na naman kami sa shop at nakabili na naman kami ng eto, Arctic Dome Personal Space Cooler. So, ayan po. So, tulungan nyo akong mag-unbox nito. I-unbox natin ang box na ito. Kaya, samahan nyo ako. So, eto po. Eto, pasensya na, nandito yung TV ko. Eto na isa. Bubuksan na natin ang ating Arctic Dome. So, bubuksan na natin. Dito natin simulan. Ayan. Ayan. At saka ito pa. Kaya angat natin to. Pero ito ang mga laman niya. Ang kanyang saksakan. Saksakan. At saka yung sa filter niya. Ayan. Para palitan ang mga filter. At saka ito. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung manual. Ayan, yung manual. Ayan. And then, ito po siya. Ang hirap nito. At ito po yung lagayan ng tubig. Mamaya explain ko sa inyo. Diyan lang muna. Ito po. Yeah. Ang hirap buksan. Hilahin po ay ayan. Ang ating tadan! Eto siya! Dadan! Ang ating bagong nabili. Ayan. Kasi mainit na po rito. Kaya kinailangan kong bumili nito. Para lang sa akin. Sa gabi. Kasi nga yung electric fan masyadong mainit. So, ito. Ang mangyayari nito, bubuksan mo siya dito. May bukasan siya rito. And then may bukasan siya dito sa kabila. Sana hindi ko siya masira. Tapos, may dalawa siyang dalawang parang lalagayan ng tubig. Pero kailangan ilagay mo to sa freezer bago mo siya ilagay dito. So, ayan. Dito yan siya nakalagay. Silang dalawa. Ayan, dalawa. Ayan. And then, isasara mo siya. Kaya kailangan frozen at laman ng tubig na yan. Tapos isasara mo. Tapos, saka mo siya gagamitin. So, pag okay na to, pag na-freeze na siya, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya-maya kung paano gamitin. Okay? So, yan po ang ating bagong Arctic dome. Para siyang air cooler na parang ayan ikot-ikot yan mamaya pag sinaksak. Okay? So, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya ang susunod nating gagawin dito.
I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you, baby. I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you. But we're going through the same shit, just a different person. You keep me above the surface. It's hard, but I keep on learning from you. I hate feeling so uncertain. She left and I keep on searching, but I can tell there's someone hurting you too. I'm falling apart. Maybe just stay here. Stay until I'm fine. It's never real until you feel like she got someone new. It's hard to deal when someone else is loving her by you. And when you hold me this way, it just don't feel the same. I'm telling you it's better if we don't get attached. And when we're better, we'll know it's time to move on to the next. Mama said when I was younger, couldn't be alone. I still can't be alone, no. Lay me down slowly. Careful, I'm falling apart. Maybe just stay here.
Frozen na po siya. Ilalagay na galing ng freezer. Pa-under na natin ang ating ano. And then this one. Ay! So I don't know how you deal with this. With closing, this is a bit hard. Oh my goodness.
Ah, it's okay.
It's hard.
You're working it out. It's the first time.
So hard, Dada.
Yeah.
You
You
need to
can do
help
it.
me with this.
You're so smart. You can work it out.
Yeah, but it's so hard to lock. Ayan.
Ayan. Oh,
Oh my god. They're ruining it. Oh my god.
take your time.
So we need to put this thing there. Matutunaw na yung...
Just to make it clear, do you have sponsorship from the manufacturer?
No, I just bought this by myself.
Okay, so it's just, we're not promotion.
No, we're not promoting it. It's
But if they
just-
want to send you some free ones, they can.
Yeah, okay.
Sure.
Can we put it in there, Dada? Here?
Is there a plug there nearby?
Yeah.
Well done.
Can you
Ah.
help me closing this?
I can see dudes there.
Yeah. it's
He has
okay.
to wave.
Got to wave. Oh, there you go.
Whoa, hang on, let's go.
It's close. And then plug it in. And then put, I don't know if it's, is it in here? There. It's not in the bottom. So, we gotta turn it on.
Wow.
There. And then,
It's like Iron Man.
look. So cool.
Whoa.
Look at me, Dada. There. Ito na po.
Whoa.
Ito na po siya.
Oh my god, it's hot and cold.
Yeah, no, it's only
Dudes, what
cold.
can you feel?
It's the aircon. It's aircon now. See, it's cold.
Whoa.
So nice.
The temperature here today is...
Diyan na po nagtatapos ang ating unboxing at the same time ay pinakita ko sa inyo. Assemble. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
Dudes, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Focus this thing.
Oh, sorry. I thought dudes was
Show
gonna...
the color.
Oh
At
my
the
god.
front. Come here and then turn around. Here.
Oh my god, it's
Okay.
out of focus.
There.
Whoa. It's like Iron Man.
So, look at me. Pointing down. Bye! Okay, then off now. So